Hello everyone on Auction Time. This is Adam from Adam's Auctions and Real Estate in Belleville, Illinois. Today we've got a John Deere 1600 turbocharged ground mower. Batwing mower, I guess if you would. It's got 2,700 hours on it. Came in from a golf course. Starts and runs. Operates. One thing we noticed that when you take your foot off the hydraulics, it tends to back up a little bit. So hydraulic a little bit loose there, so probably something needs to be done with that. But starts and runs, all the hydraulics work on it. Wings go up and down. Give you a picture of the blades underneath the deck. John Deere 1600 Turbo. I'll have him turn the PTO on for you. If you have any questions about this unit, give us a call, 618-530-8751. Good luck bidding on Auction Time. Machine's located in Belleville, Illinois.